If you want to clean the charging port or the USB-C port on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G with household items, then there are several tools that you can use. First and foremost, before you start cleaning the port, you want to turn off the phone. Remember about that. You can gently insert a wooden or plastic toothpick into the port and carefully scrape out any lint or dirt. It can be a toothpick or a plastic pick. It doesn't really matter that much, both of them will do just fine. However, you want to avoid using metal objects because they can damage the pins that we have inside the port. So stay away from metal objects, do not use them you do not want to insert them into the port. If you have one, then you can get compressed air. If you have a can of compressed air at home, then you can use short bursts to blow out the dust from the USB port. And you can hold the can upright and avoid excessive air pressure. If you have a soft bristle brush or an old toothbrush, they can do just fine as well. You can use a dry soft bristle brush to gently sweep out the dust and debris from the port. And if the port is sticky, and then you can lightly dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol, at least 70%, and then let it dry completely before turning the phone back on. Isopropyl will be a good way to clean sticky residues. Then we also have, for example, cotton swabs, which can also be used with isopropyl alcohol. We can slightly dampen a cotton swab or the Q-tip with a small amount of the isopropyl alcohol, and then you can gently rub inside the port to remove grime, but ensure no liquid drips inside. So you don't want any alcohol inside of the port. And that is essentially it. So these are the tools that we can use. In general, you want to avoid metal objects such as pins, needles, or paper clips. You want to avoid water or other liquids. You can only use minimal amounts of isopropyl alcohol if necessary. And you do not want to blow into the port because your breath contains moisture, which can cause corrosion. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.